have now, we have a good gap up start, but more than the gap up start, I think it's the Nifty which in a sense, it's a breadth of the market which in a sense deserves a special mention. But I'll mark the heavyweights here and some newsmakers. The newsmaker has to be Swiggy because market reacted yesterday, brokerages have reacted late evening, and now markets would be now we are seeing a reaction to the brokerage notes. Yesterday was more like a the day trader in a sense. Yesterday post numbers, they decided to sell the Swiggy stock. Now long-term investors have come back. Let's look at HDFC Bank, Reliance Industries, Axis Bank and ICICI Bank. They really hold the key in terms of where the market short-term mood is likely to move. The banks are off to a decent start. I just want to mark the momentum boys here, because if the market is pivoting, if the market indeed is pivoting back towards momentum, then a Reliance Power, a Suzlon, Vodafone, Yes Bank, which is now part of FN also, they should do well. And I will not be surprised if there is a lift off in some of those stocks also.
Okay, that's the take coming in on some of those buzzers. Let's check in on an InfoEd, Supreme Industries, JSW Infra. All these stocks are going to be in focus this morning. So holding are okay. And Nikun just flagged off what Zomato, of course, is doing, or rather Swiggy, I beg your pardon. That also will just come up for you on your screens next. Other than that, just checking in on what else has been making news. Let's see what HDFC Bank is up to and whether or not, it's a fresh high on the stock that you're seeing right on opening bell, holding up another 0.5% higher. 1835 is where that stock is. And yeah, it is a fresh record high in that sense for HDFC Bank. What about ICICI Bank then? Is that also powering through and supporting HDFC Bank, or is it much a standalone HDFC Bank kind of case? Seems more standalone because I don't see a similar move for ICICI Bank. Axis though is holding up. SBI also should come up for you on your screens, given that in last 6 months, SBI and Axis have both been underperformers. Flat for SBI as we speak right now. HAL BEL, after that, sizable orders or acquisition proposals worth about 21,772, which have been approved by the DAC. Look out for that. For IEX as well, the November traded volume has seen an uptick of nearly about 6%. So look out for that as well. For RVNL2, they've got an LOA for a project worth about 187 odd crore rupees from Eastern Central Railway. So that is the other one which is also going to be in focus. And Honasa, interesting development here. Their Chief Executive Officer Varun Alag has increased his stake in the company to near about 32%. It's an investment of about 4.5 crore rupees, 3.25% higher for Honasa as we speak right now. But Naresh, what are the first trades that you're punching in?
So like Axis Bank, which has made a good base around 1120 and starting for a move towards 1220 odd levels in the short term.
Mark Matthew joined.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.